Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video I'm going to take you behind the scenes in a typical day in my life. The first thing I do after getting ready for the day is set out any wreath orders that need to be shipped out. I just set them on the front porch for the postal service to pick up. Then I pour myself a cup of hot coffee, which really helps me get my day going. I snuggle up on the couch, get in a cozy position, and this is when I check in with my VIP group, answer any questions that came in overnight, and respond to Instagram DMs and YouTube comments. This morning, I'm making sure my VIPs have the link they need to get into today's live Q&A. When I'm done with that, I'll make a list with the main things I want to get done that day and outline any videos I need to film. It's summertime, so my kids are home. After they get themselves breakfast and get ready for the day, they do their chores. They are such a huge help. Now it's time to go live in my VIP group to answer their questions. I set up my laptop, extra screen, webcam, and microphone, and double check to make sure everything is working smoothly. I love chatting with my VIPs, but I always get a little nervous right before going live. Hi VIPs! Welcome to this month's Q&A. Feel free to ask any question and I will put the question on the screen and answer it. When I'm done with the live, I put everything away so I can use my table to make my wreath orders. And yes, I really need to organize my wreath room again. It's getting overcrowded. While I was on my live, my kids were busy drawing. They love having drawing contests, and it's a great way to keep them occupied when I need to get some work done and I need the house quiet for filming. Now that I've gotten all that other stuff done, this is the time of day where I make as many wreath orders as I can. It's kind of nice, so I'm just gonna do that really quick, and then I'm going to get on with the rest of my day. So I have my ice water. Always have to have that, especially in the summer. It can get really hot in here. So I'm just gonna get started on this and I'll see you at the end. Normally I like to listen to podcasts or catch up on whatever YouTube videos I want to watch, and that helps pass the time and it makes this really enjoyable. I could do this all day. In fact, in my busy seasons, I do this all day. If you want a full tutorial on how I make this magnolia wreath, I actually have one here on YouTube, so I will link that. There it is. Here's our magnolia wreath. Now I'm going to make my kids lunch and we're going to go run some errands. Okay, we're headed to Michael's. I'm so excited because they finally have their spring and summer stuff 70% off. So they're making room for fall, but this is a great time to stock up on things you've been eyeballing, or stuff that was popular for your spring and summer wreaths, so that you can have some for next year. You'll get a head start on the season. So I'm gonna go. I already bought a whole bunch online, and actually showed my VIP group what I bought online, so that was really fun. But some of the stuff is only available in stores, so I'm gonna go check that out. And I'm really excited to see if they have any of their fall stuff out yet, because they just put it out online like within the last 2 days. So really excited to see it in person in store, because I like to see stuff in person to see the quality, and then I can buy it online later. But yeah, and there's also 30% off regular price purchases, which is not great, but if there is something fall that I really want to try out, I can still get kind of a discount. So that's what I'm doing now. One of the things I was on the hunt for were these red poppies. They are great quality for the price and are perfect for patriotic wreaths. I also grabbed some of the blue ones. I was talking with the manager at this Michael's and he told me they had tons of boxes that hadn't even been opened yet and they're bringing them out as fast as they can, trying to make room for fall. I couldn't believe how much they still had in stock. There wasn't much fall out yet, so that was a little disappointing, but it was still fun to see what they did have. This sale is great for stocking up on greenery because you can use it most of the year and it's so versatile. So if you find a greenery you love and you know you're going to use it, definitely buy it. Can you believe the quality of these orchids? They look so real, even in person. These orange berries are technically a summer item, but I use them in my fall wreath. The fall version of these won't be on sale for a long time, so you can save money by getting them 70% off right now, and then when you use them up, hopefully the fall ones will be on sale at that point. I've had my eye on these peonies for a long time, and now that they're 70% off, I finally decided to get them. I've also had my eye on these white poppies. The quality is so good on these. So it's easy to overbuy during a great sale like this, but make sure the quality is good and it's something you'll actually use. So even if it's a good deal, it doesn't mean you have to buy it. These pink poppies are stunning, and I've actually bought a bunch of these online too. They're another flower I've had my eye on for a while. Also, be on the lookout for items you already use that have sold well before in wreaths. I use these apple blossoms in one of my year-round wreaths, so I was really excited to find them in stock so I could stock up on more. If you make tulip wreaths in the spring, and if you can find tulips in stock during the sale, definitely grab them if they're the colors you need. My tulip heart wreaths start selling right after Christmas before tulips are even in stock at Michael's. And if they are in stock, they're definitely not on sale yet. So if you can have them this far in advance, especially at 70% off, I would definitely buy as many as you can. If you're needing something to store your florals in, these galvanized buckets are a great option. I love the French buckets to hang on my floral wall. You may have seen them there. I checked online and couldn't find any sales, so you'll have to check in store for these. But if you can find them in store and you need storage, I would definitely recommend these. All right, here's what I got. This is more than I was planning on getting, but it was just really good. So I just wanted to show you. I got the orange berries because these are great for fall and 70% off, and this will help me get a head start on fall because fall's not on sale yet. And then I got these gorgeous peonies. Look at those. Aren't they pretty? And I like them because there's two. They're really good quality, and the quality on the leaves is really good. Excellent. I'll be using a lot of these next year. I've had my eye on these all season. I just didn't really want them unless I had a good deal, so this is a good deal. Same story with these poppies. I love them. The quality's amazing. They've got really thick foamy petals. Love them. These are gonna be great for next year. And then these white poppies, loved. They're so pretty, and these will be great in winter wreaths too, I think. I think winter, spring, and summer I could use these. I got these apple blossoms, which I use in my year-round wreath. So I was looking for things that I normally already use and that was really high quality, because it can be really tempting to just buy everything, even if you don't need it, just because it's on sale. But you don't want to be stuck trying to figure out what to do with a bunch of stuff, even if you got it on sale. So buy stuff you would normally get anyway, but just get it at a great deal. I also got these roses, which I think are so pretty. I love so these are normally $10, so they were $3, but you get 3 different clusters, which is fabulous. So you really only need one of these to do a wreath. So I think they only had 3 in store, so that's what I got. And then I was thinking ahead for next year's 4th of July or patriotic decor. So these poppies, I love them. They're very vibrant in color with a dark middle. I think the quality is really good for the price. So I got all the ones they had in the store that I could find. I got 5 big ones and 1 small one. And I also got them in blue because I'm always trying to find good quality red, white, and blue in a good deal for my patriotic wreaths. Because I personally don't like buying the ones that are pre-made red, white, and blue. I think they look more fake and not as good quality. So if you can find good quality red, white, and blue flowers on their own, that shine on their own, I think when they come together, it makes a much higher quality wreath. And I know I'll get great use out of this next year. Then these eucalyptus stems, these picks, they're really bushy and they were just over $1 after the sale, which is really good. Great stems. These would actually be really good in a hoop wreath. So you could just put these on the hoop wreath. I've got a tutorial on how to make one, and then put like a little flower cluster, maybe even, this is what I do in the store when I pick stuff out. Like even just some of the white flowers in the middle like that. Obviously I had to arrange them, but I think that would be a really gorgeous and simple wreath idea. So I bought a lot of these. I don't even know how many. And the last thing the last floral that I got were these peaches, and they only had 3 that I could find, but I love peach picks. 70% off. I will use them. So I got those. And then I hope you guys are gonna like this part. So as you saw, I'm putting my stems, like that whole table, well, all the long stems on the table went into one of these. And my wreath wall, not my wreath wall, my floral wall, a lot of you have seen in my videos, and I have a wreath room makeover where I did that. And I use these buckets, actually use these for a lot of my stems, and I just put an S-hook on this and it hangs right on the wall, and it's fantastic. And so many of you have asked me where I get these, and then the other baskets there, and I get them at Michael's when they have their sale. I think I got mine 60% off, and right now they're 70% off. So this is normally $17 and I got it for just over $5, which is amazing. My wall is all full, but I still have more stems and I want to keep them tidy. So I love these. I got 2 of these. And the reason I love them is, can you see? Look at how many florals can sit in there and it doesn't fall over. So I need a few more things on the ground because my wreath room is getting a little messy. You might have noticed earlier in this video when I was in my wreath room. So I'm gonna use these for some more storage space in there as I try to move more fall into my wreath room. So I got 2 of those, 1 more of these, but I can put the same amount of florals into this as I can this, but they will fall over a lot easier in this. It's so annoying. It's great for the wall, not so great for the ground. So these are a better option for that. And these were normally 20 and I got them for 6. So that is what I got. All I have left to do is to package up the magnolia wreath I made earlier today, and then I'm gonna hang out with my family. I'm gonna make dinner and just hang out with the family for the rest of the night. And yeah, it was great. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And I have a whole video on how I package my wreaths to ship. So if you wanna watch that, I will leave it, I'll leave a card there, and I'll also link it in the description. All right, I'm all done. Now I'm gonna go make dinner and hang out with my family, and then tomorrow morning I can just set this on my front porch and it will be picked up, and I'm all caught up. So that was just a typical day in my life, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.